and welcome and now introduce ourselves. Our project is phishing reduction using the machine learning algorithms. Welcome. Phishing is an fraudulent technique. The phishers use it to attack the credentials of the users to make such as a company or users or phishing ranges. My team details. Team ID, myself, Podi, and team members, Balaji, Sekdaut, and Adil Khan. And now tell the problem statement. Problem statement. Phishing is an fraudulent technique. This is a social and technical social engineering attack that to find the legitimate URLs and malicious softwares, computers, passwords, consumers and online accounts, including email, uniform resource locator, forum, telephone calls, and text messages, and the user information. This is the problem statement of web phishing reduction. The phishers attack to find to propose the solutions. The proposed solution is a scalable, reliable, and social impact. The proposed solution is a phishing of environment to use multiple machine learning models to find the fraudulent URLs or phishing websites. This is scalable. The number of users can use in same time. And this is the my technical architecture. The users enter the HTML page of UI, enters the URL or IP addresses, and gives the feature extraction and detection model. Machine learning models use it to find these legitimate or phishing URL to find the URLs. This is the technical architecture, and the data will be processed and the training and tested data using them. Our ML model is a regression model, random forest classifier to evaluate the model. We will demo the project and run in the Visual Studio Code. You can run it the app.py run. Now we check it the URL in the web page. The lot of features used URL based features, IP based rank, so many features we can add it in the in our project of phishing detection to find the fraudulent URLs or websites, something like gift vouchers websites is in fraudulent technique. Use it to multiple machine learning algorithms and the deployment in a cloud. The IBM app.py is an integrated the scoring endpoint. You can run it the same IBM app.py in a cloud deployment, same as the we can check it. We can the website is 6% used to continue. This is our project. This is our deployment in a cloud deployments, phishing reduction, and getting the scoring endpoint. Scoring endpoint of the phishing reduction, and now run it. We can check the translate.google.com. This is an 100% 70% is if we use. We can user features the users to learn and our performance metrics of phishing class machine learning classifier using direct random forest classifier model is in 96 percentage and the few. And now till the scalability and future scope of our project. Scalability is an lot of users access in the same time. And thank you.